All right, guys, so welcome back. We're here today to talk a little bit more about what we do outside of custom exhaust work. As many of you know, we are specializing in custom exhaust work, and that's what most people know us for. But we also do much more than that. For example, if custom isn't really the right route for you in terms of budget and timeline, we can help you source pre-made parts that exist on the market today and just help you with installing them as well. In this instance, we're installing some Kleemann stainless manifolds on this CLK 350, along with high flow catalytic converters. And we're doing just a little bit of custom work in order to make it compatible with the existing mid-pipe on the car. So check it out with us.
So today we have these Kleemann headers and high flow catalytic converters, as well as a couple other items of concern that the customer brought up, as well as a thermostat housing, and he wants his serpentine belt replaced as well. With this kit, we also have brand new OE gaskets and maybe a couple other outliers that we just don't know yet. So we'll dig into it and we'll get you guys an update here soon. Just getting this midsection pipe out so we can get underway with the header install and the rest of the mid pipe. Cool. From what I could tell in the kit, at this point there could be some modification needed just to meet everything all together, but we'll get down to that road when we get down to that road and everything's installed and in place. But for the time being, just getting everything out. Watch that fluid and try to get everything swapped over that needs to be swapped over.
Cool. Check back in later.
That's pretty much the gist of it right there. So we got this header here. It's just an old OE header, cast iron and all that. Swapped it out for a nice stainless. Got all the new bolts, hardware, and brand new OE gasket in there because we don't want to go with that graphite one. Now currently stuck trying to get this driver's side one out. We have all these AC lines, all these items, so it just makes it a tad bit harder to get it out. So I'm gonna keep on trying to whip that thing out, as well as all this exhaust work. We got some other items like the serpentine belt, and he wants to get a thermostat done as well. So this isn't just like a typical routine item of concern. We have multiple items, codes. We do more than just exhaust work here. So finally got the headers installed. Everything is all tightened down and they look really good in there. Surprisingly, they fit very well and everything seems to be bolting up all nicely. Now we're going to be working on the midsection here with the high flow catalytic converters and transferring all the O2 sensors from the old system over to here. You see we got a nice V-band from Vibrant, and we're going to try to get everything all mocked up, get some measurements, and do any of the necessary cuts that we need to do.
We're just kind of cleaning up and wrapping up, but I wanted to show you how everything came out and how nice everything looks. Got all the welding done. As you can see, we have this concentric reducer fitting because this goes down from 2.5 inch to 2 inch, and that's just how the factory design is, while this side is to all 2 inch. So kind of unique how they end up doing it that way. But came out really clean and really nice. I know it took a little more time than we were hoping, but sometimes that's just how it works out. And the thermostat is in the car. We're gonna just get the car down and burp the system, double check everything, make sure that we're not having any leaks, and good to go.